Duik, duik. As a noun, it means a dent. Like when you bump your car against something and there's a dent in your car, that is a duik. Ek het die buurvrou se kar gestamp en nou is daar 'n duik in haar deur. I bumped the neighbor's car and now there is a dent in her door. Duik as a verb means dive or to dive. Ek duik in die water. I dive in the water. Duiker, duiker, diver. Duiker is also a specific deer, an antelope. Duikvliegtuig, duikvliegtuig, a dive bomber. Duikbril, duikbril, diving goggles. Duikpak, duikpak, wetsuit. Duikplank, duikplank, diving board or diving platform. Duikweg, duikweg, an underpass or a subway. Duikboot, duikboot, submarine.